Hey there. Want a professionally managed, diversified portfolio with no advisory fees? Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is their robo-advisor that builds and rebalances a portfolio of ETFs automatically for you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. From the Schwab homepage, find and select Intelligent Portfolios. You'll answer a short questionnaire about your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. The robo-advisor then recommends a customized portfolio of low-cost Schwab ETFs across stocks, bonds, and even a cash allocation. You can open the account with a $5,000 minimum, and then set up automatic deposits. The system handles all the trading, rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting for taxable accounts. My crucial pro tip? Understand the cash allocation. The service holds a portion of your portfolio, up to 30%, in cash. This provides stability and is how Schwab makes money on the service, by earning interest on the cash. It's a trade-off for the $0 advisory fee. That's how you get automated, expert asset management without the high costs. Do you prefer a hands-off robo-advisor or picking your own investments? Tell me below. For more guides on automated investing, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.